Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It is also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
Hey guys, in this video I am going to share a job opening from Mindreamers. So they are hiring for digital marketing executive. So you should have 1 to 8 years of working experience and it would be permanent work from home with laptop and Wi-Fi connection. So if you want to apply for this position, then you can drop your resume on this mail ID.